Hi, Grandma. Mom just cut off my allowance. Can you give me some money?
This is about you and me.
Technically, how is my day-old marriage falling apart becoming about you two?
Hang on. What do I need to do to make you trust me?
I think it's hard having one wife trusting two.
I bet you told Bernadette all about how he was screwing around with Mandy Chow.
No, we didn't screw around. We just got drunk and made out.
Whatever. Would have been nice to hear it from you.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to return your belongings. That's what people who've broken up do.
And you didn't do your compulsive knocking ritual, so I would open up.
On the contrary, you no longer get to enjoy my charming eccentricities. We're not friendly now.
Just give me the box.
It went away. I just want to go through it and make sure I have everything.
Fine. What's wrong?
And you wore it the night we went ice skating, remember?
You mean the night that I went ice skating?
entered it on the North Sea, and I'm mad that I've had to hide this from Penny for years.
Every right to be mad about those things. So, why don't you let me handle the credit card bill this month? I mean, don't even look at it.
If Penny finds out I've known all this time and haven't told her, she's gonna think I'm a terrible friend. Wish you never told me.
And I wish Leonard never told me. He's the bad guy here. George Clooney, initial landscaping kit.
Is there any kind of discount for regular marriage? Let's talk hours.
Right.
Right. I would love that.
I'm sorry I said I was okay with everything before we got married. I hate the reminder this week. I don't know what to do.
If you don't mind waiting for a group on, we can try marriage counseling.
Hello.
Hey, yes, please.
No. This is your first.
Okay, when I'm done with him, I'm gonna need more information.
Nothing odd. I just wanted to rub Amy's nose in it.
Okay, look, I might be productive, but Mom wants us to get past this one. I know tomorrow you're gonna go to work and see this woman.
Yeah, forgive me for eavesdropping, but as I see it, there's a simple solution. Wake up. Bring Penny to meet me. Well, right now, Penny's imagination is running low. And if they meet, that will eliminate the mystery and leave the interference. But when that Sparklets guy, that means Leonard's on
First of all, you made that guy cry.
and we learned that you don't need an eyeball to do that.
Secondly, I can't think of a more horrible idea than Mandy.
Really? Why is that?
But you actually want to meet her?
No, now that you're being weird about it, maybe I should.
And that's coming from me.
That's fine. You want to meet her?
No, I just want to know that when you're at work, there's nothing going
How
on.
many times do I have to tell you I have no interest in this woman?
Yeah, well, maybe she has interest in you.
Yeah, Leonard, and even the Sparklets guy can think that's unlikely. That's all I'm off, right? Back a smile. This is a Hamrick's Awesome Deal Alert.
Alfred Dunner and Ruby Road Quartets 50% off. Wireless Bluetooth earbuds, just $12.98. Men's Levi's or Wrangler denim, $9.98. Men's famous bigger polos or shorts, $10.98. Ladies modern fashion tops, $15.98. Alfred Dunner and Ruby Road tees, shorts, or capris, $15. And Easy Street sandals, also $15. Hamrick's awesome deals and huge savings. David loves fresh food. Amateur chefs, stay-home nerds, salad makers, barbecuers, smorgasborders, you feel like you're part of their family. They're there for you.
Each of our graduates learned the skills to pursue a better life for themselves and their family.
And you can too with convenient class schedules and hands-on training in fields like healthcare, massage therapy, business, CDL, and IT support. You can learn the skills to succeed at Miller Mine College.
To see my kids yelling my name, mommy, 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 in a crowd that early is just exciting for me.
Jumpstart a career because nothing's going to happen when we just sit on the couch and dump.
Learn the skills you'll have forever. To get started, call 706-993-9053.
Or visit miller-mont.edu.
Definitely, I just feel like if you contact Miller, it's going to change your life.
Doug Collins says he's conservative, but look at his record. A criminal defense lawyer fighting to get bad guys out of jail. In the Georgia House, Doug Collins teamed up with Stacey Abrams to convict her for avoiding the death penalty. And in Congress, Doug Collins teamed up with Charles to allow police for some sex offenders. Doug Collins, a criminal's friend, and the conservatives named him Senator Charles responsible for Doug's activism.
When we say we're on your side, it means we're here for you. It means you up to the minute news cover. Got the latest weather alerts that keep you safe. When you're on the go, keeping up to date with the latest night team investigations is here with our free mobile app. Make your evenings with me and on your side. You news 12.
Try Target same-day delivery at your door so you can get more. More comfort. More power. More play. Target Run and done.
What's the tax cut going to cost?
Can't really say that, Tony.
Wait, each of our block has upfront transparent pricing, so you know the price before you begin. So you can't work like that.
I could give you a ballpark.
Know the price before you begin if upfront transparent pricing. It's better in law. The problem is they never sell letters.
This is the kind of guy who would do something like this.
Make a mistake, we will win.
What do you think? I don't know what to think. Then again, I just found out about him.
I fell in love with Leonard because he wasn't anything like the guys I was used to meeting. I mean, I knew those guys weren't above cheating because that's usually how they are.
You know Leonard's not like that.
You know, he never would have done this when we first met. He's not here now.
Because you made it more confident.
Sure, more women might notice him, but I think it's better to have a guy who even thinks he wants to be.
Presents Fun with Flags. You may notice that I'm holding a remote control. That's because my camera person and co-host, Dr. Amy Farrah Fowler, has chosen to end her relationship with me. I'm going to pause here and let that sink in. Okay. If you need to pause a little longer, just click the pause button. The show must go on, and thankfully all the things my girlfriend used to do can be taken care of with my right hand. Anyway, let's not spend any more time talking about her. We're here to talk about flags. Tonight's theme, flags of countries that have been torn apart, and the women I have a feeling were responsible. $250 down. How do you know? Stay on top of things. And I'm just hearing about this now. Dude, just because we're best friends doesn't mean that I have to tell
you too.
Just hold out.
So, what can I do for you?
Get very easily.
Congratulations. Good chocolate?
Anyway, between you and me, she's concerned about this situation.
It was just a kiss. Why would you do that?
So, there is ridiculous.
Is that really the reason?
What else would it be?
I don't know. Sounds like you're trying to sabotage the relationship.
No, I don't think so. You know, on some level, I've always believed that I don't deserve a woman like her.
Oh, you're gonna think about that right here?
I mean, too, she's really beautiful. She can have any guy she wants. Which is probably why it took her so many years to tell me she loved me.
Maybe you should talk to a therapist about this.
Too expensive. You'd think I'd be used to women withholding their love. I mean, my mother did. I mean, no matter how hard I tried, she just didn't have any interest in me.
Imagine that.
I wonder if that's why I have such a dysfunctional relationship with Shelley. I had a dream the other night that I was in a cave and I was nursing a baby that choked its head on me.
And your wife is worried about me.
Hey, Leonard, when you're done, we came up with a punch bowl. And then the Czech Republic says to Slovakia, and even Czechia now works. You believe that? They think that the Czech Republic trying to hold on to what it had, keep it not as long as it used to be. And I don't see any other countries lining up to invade its southern borders.
I'm gonna kill him.
But enough about the Czech Republic. Let's talk about the time Moldova made Romania a birthday cake. And Romania said it tasted good, even though it didn't. And yet Romania gets done. I'll pause here while you hold that one over. I know, right?
Remember, it's being trying to sabotage our war. Without it, but the good news is, I'm sure I can. After all these years, I still feel like maybe I don't deserve you.
Okay, that is the latest excuse you could have possibly come up with. But I get it. Yeah. Sometimes I worry you're gonna wake up and leave me for someone more like you.
I don't even understand why you're with someone like me all the time.
You react to that means sabotaging this too.
Well, how about we stop being so scared of losing each other and just work together?
God, this was really never said to me.
It's because you're beautiful, and your beauty fills my heart with love and so
Cheesy heart.
that's cheesy. And last night, stay married to me.
Oh, damn it, you talked it.
Yes, please.
Let me tell you what happened to me. My family and I were hurt in farmer. That's when I decided to call Joyce Sink Injury Lawyers.
My law firm will come to you and get started right away. Just call all night.
Helping injured people is what they do. It's all they do. This is your wake-up call. If you're a type 2 diabetic or pre-diabetic, you're invited to attend this free diabetes reversal dinner seminar. Let us show you and a loved one how new research is helping people in your area completely
reverse their diabetes and get off of harmful medications like metformin, insulin, statin drugs, and even blood pressure medication. Answer your big call by calling 1-800-985-1783 today. I'm free.
I'm free.
I'm free.
Now only testing this week by Medicare and private insurance. The world is changing at a rate like never before. So, why is it education? Raise your hand if you can use an education that's actually modern, actually affordable, and actually personal. If you're one of the 35 million Americans who hasn't finished your degree, well, Strayer's here to help. New master students can receive a brand new laptop.
We saw the video. Kelly's house. We were dancing in the sun.
Kelly's family has cable internet.
The video was listened to.
What's up, Blood Sweets? It's not who you are.
The file was huge. It was taking forever. I was not
Just okay. It's not good. Choose your AT&T card with 1 gig internet and get 20 times faster up to use the cable. $39.99 a month for a year. Limited availability may not be in your area. Call 1-877 only AT&T.
George St. Henry lawyers.
My law firm wants to help you. Call 762 The state agency, the job to protect children. And another case, they're standing up to protect or not caseworkers, teachers, daycare workers, frustrated and fed up with the feedbacks.
Thankfully, rain fell while we could.
That's why
It should have been the case for the job.
the IT gas families are calling for class. 6 o'clock. What is this?
Plane tickets and hotel reservations for a weekend away in San Francisco.
That's so great.
Yeah, there's Fisherman's Wharf, and Alcatraz, cable cars. We're gonna have so much fun. Was there a problem?
No. I just said wee. How dare you go on the internet and say mean things about me and compare my genitalia to part of Czechoslovakia?
It's all through that one.
I don't know what you were thinking, but take the video down now.
She watched it. And go back.
I only want to email it. The subject line is make you mad.
She was listening to the door. She wants me.
Hey, Ray, was Scanner Energy as your natural gas provider?
News 12. Weekends starting at 6 a.m.
finish, but
I just did probably one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life, and I just needed to let it go.
I grabbed it.
Max, I remember 7 years ago, you were locked in a
Not
hospital
long.
room,
Not yet. Too
close
late.
to death.
After seeing how much Ethan struggled and still pick himself up, it was inspiring. It was incredible. And so on that last run for him, we felt like we all need to be a part of it.
they all went with me to finish the last leg, which was
Last one. I all of a sudden realized the bond that we've created in this very short time. It's strong, and I felt it at that moment, and it felt good.
that's something I remember for the rest of my life. That feels good. Thank you, everyone.
Survivor, sponsored by Dunkin'. America runs on Dunkin'.
Take a sip on the bright side with new Dunkin' Matcha Lattes.
I'm sort of furious it shrunk, but it's my nephew's birthday.
That would fit him perfectly.
Yeah. So this worked out great.
Matcha lattes are now at Dunkin'.
How much will you save at the JCPenney Mystery Sale? You can get a Feel and Reveal coupon for an extra 20, 30, or 40% off already reduced prices. Hurry and get yours because coupons are limited. So shop early Thursday through Sunday. JCPenney.
Still fresh. Having dry skin is a struggle. Turns out,
Adam's pitching in.
And as long as Adam doesn't go back to a little being sneaky and playing both sides, we will keep him around.
It's the worst.
So now that it's just Rob and I on the bottom, it doesn't mean that we're gonna lay down and die. You know, Ethan sent me his fire token, and with this comes a bit of a responsibility to avenge his blind side. Now
If I sit back and think about the drive, the bigger threats are going after each other. And the people who are less connected or who have only played the game one time, they're not even on anybody's radar. People like Wendell, Nick, Yule. I don't even know who the last one is. Sophie, so under the radar that I did not even know her name. The people who are not connected are pitting us against each other. They want the people with connections on. So if you think about it right now, there's you, Sandra, and Sarah. We all have connections. Kim's connected to me. None of those other players have any other type of connection like that. We're gonna get popped one at a time.
I'm pretty much just listening and saying, like, oh, for real? Dang. But it's shady and it's a lie. But what he's trying to do is say to himself, anyway, that he cares. At the end of the day, it's either takes as long as it's
My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt.
What if a university could lock its tuition? From your first dream to your first dollar, between shifts and after hours.
I would totally go for Wayne. Yeah.
I think it's time to go surprise Claudia and Stacy. Okay. Hopefully they haven't eaten no one's Mexican food.
First look at the new cellmate drive. Ethan voted out. Last drop tells. Alright, let's get to it. First things first, Sarah, gotta take it back. Once again, immunity is back up for grabs. For today's challenge, 4 tribe members will be attached to a boat with 3 others in it. On go, they'll jump in and pull the boat to a tower. Climb up,